Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today with my little Grogu from Dory's Dollies, I'm joining in with Gilly the Monster on Monster Monday. Isn't that cute? It's his little Thanksgiving bib. And he has on his little monster PJs. I love the feet. Oh, that's so cute. And look at the butt. Oh, he's so cute. So we wanted to show that off. We're also joining in the our cherished cherubs, Cheeky Monkey Monday. We all love Cheeky Monkey Monday. And today's holiday cheer. What is holiday cheer? That's when we all go to another channel and we leave a subscription, a like, and leave a second comment. You know, leave your regular comment and then a second comment with the words holiday cheer. And I just thought it was a fun thing to do for the holidays, to go to these channels, let them know we're out there, subscribe, grow their channels, support their channels, and wish them a little holiday cheer. Today, let's do Little Midwest Reborns. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.